What's up, you guys? Hey, this is your wing lady, and I'm back with another beautiful video. Hey guys, yeah, I know you missed me. I know, I really know you guys missed me. Well, guess what? I miss you too. Okay, just took a little Ramadan break, and we're back and better. And you guys, I can't take a break. Take a break and be gone for 2 weeks without coming back with a banger for you guys, coming back empty-handed. No, that's not me. And so today, guess what I have? Yes, 2, 3, oh, 4, 5. Oh my god, you guys. It was about a month or 2 months ago that this new Bodacea clones just hit everywhere on Instagram. And every brand was like, if you don't have Bodacea, you're darling. If you don't have Bodacea perfumes, you're joking. Okay, fine. You know your wing lady got you. On this channel, I got you. You know what I did? I went ahead and bought all 5. So I'm going to be unboxing them right now and doing a first impressions so that I can know which ones are actually smelling nice and which ones are not. So which ones you should buy and which ones you should stay away from. This video might be long if you don't have patience. I don't know. So just grab your water or grab a bottle of wine or grab something, because I'm not promising that this is a short video at all, but you're gonna love it. Okay, so we got the 5 and each of them came in this lovely this packaging, this gift bag. You see that? It's written Bodacea Fragrance Ville Luxury Perfume Collection. So the first one, this is Complex. That's number 1. This is Nema. Okay, 2. This is Memo. Okay, the white one. Then we have this purple one. It's called Enigma. I'm thinking this one is a clone for purple Sapphire. Not sure. And lastly, we have the blue one. Yeah, which is the blue Sapphire. Of course, it's a clone for blue Sapphire. So we have this 5 like this. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's getting heavy. 4. And lastly, the 5th one. Oh my God, it's heavy. So we are going to be unboxing them together and swelling them. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. Okay, so the first one we go for, let's pick this one. This is Bodacea Nema. Okay, so it comes in this kind of packaging. You take it out like so. Then let's tear it open together. I can already perceive something, but I'm not sure this one is the one smelling. Okay, this is such a luxurious packaging, you guys. This is dope. I know we've all wanted to know how Bodacea perfume smells like after Tokemakin really buttered them up for us, because we're like, how does it smell? It's a luxury perfume brand. And okay, how is it open? Oh, yeah, I remember like this, like a book. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so it comes in this packaging, and there's a little sort of like a pamphlet. It's talking about all the 5 different perfumes and descriptions of their descriptions. Instructions for use. Do not spray towards an open flame and all that. Then it gives you the note of each perfume. For example, this is Blue Sapphire, the notes. This is Memo, the notes. This is Complex, the notes. I guess it has notes of everything in here, so it wouldn't be hard to find the notes. So you open it like so. Such luxurious packaging. Oh my God! And you take out the wow, you guys, wow. Silk. Oh my God, you guys. So this is Nema. This is Nema. Wow, you guys. Hey, grab your water. This is a long video and you must watch to the end. Okay, so how does Nema smell? Blind. The sprayer is very nice. I can tell you that. It sprays really nicely. So let us perceive this. Wow. Oh, I've never smelled anything like that. No, wait. There's a note in there that bothers me. I don't like it much. But it smells really luxurious. It smells like... I'm pretty sure I've smelled something like this before. It smells a little bit like Musuf, the brown Musuf, right? Then it has something creamy. Okay, it smells like brown Musuf plus Scandal by Night. Yes. Brown Musuf and Scandal by Night. Think of a mixture of that brown Musuf and add a little bit of Scandal by Night. That delicious smell you get, that is exactly what it is. But I don't like this much. There's a note in there that's bothering me. I'm going to check out the notes later. If I find out what is cloning, I'm going to put it on the screen. So that was Nema, first impressions. Now let's move on to Complex. Okay, I'm still going to give them time. Then I'm going to make an in-depth review. You guys should just comment which one you want to see a review on first, so that I'm going to get right to that. I'm going to wear them steadily for about 1 or 2 weeks. Then I'll come and be dropping review videos for you guys. But that Nema, I'm not such a huge fan. Anyway, this is Complex. Open it the same way, like so. Oh, this packaging is dope. If you don't buy for anything, check out the packaging, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, this is Complex. So let's try this one out. I hope I like this one. Sprayer is really, really nice. Everything is luxurious. Okay. This is an woody, bit leathery, green perfume. This is easily for men. Complex is easily masculine. Is easily, if you're a guy and you want to try out which one to buy, you can try Complex. But only if you have a well-developed nose, because not everybody is going to like this. It has a little bit of wood in there. It has some greenish notes. It smells like herbs, okay? And it is kind of fresh. So it smells woody, herbally, green, and fresh. Not everybody is going to like this. I'm not really such a big fan of this. I give this like a 7/10. I give the first one a 6/10. Okay, the next one, this is Mimo. Okay, so the same packaging. Take it out. Yeah, okay. Tear out the lilac. You guys, I'm so freaking excited. Oh yes, I cannot wait to review each one of them for you. Okay, same luxurious packaging, and this one is white. Wow, this one is so elegant. I don't think I have a white perfume bottle in my collection. White. I think I'm gonna love this one. Fingers crossed that I really like this one. Okay, I'm gonna spray you here. I haven't sprayed anything here. Let it settle, let it settle, let it settle. Wow. Yes! This is the one. Yes, I freaking love this. Yes. Yes, Mimo is doing it for me. The funny thing is, it's not dark, deep, and rich. It is light, airy. It smells like White Orchid by Fragrance World. Yes, citrusy, musky, this fresh and clean, soapy scent. It's light and airy. It's not such a deep scent. So it has citrus, it has musk, and it is fresh. It smells like White Orchid. So if you want to know exactly how it smells, just try White Orchid. You get the vibe. You get the vibe. Yes, I love this one. I fucking love this one. Yeah, love this one. Okay, over 10, I give you 8. Okay, I give you 8. Moving on, we have Enigma. This is Enigma. Okay, I cannot wait. Yes. Woo! Oh, you guys know I love unboxing in front of you guys. Like, my favorite thing to do is to unbox. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna like this one because, of course, it's purple. I mean, I like purple colors so much. Ooh. I like purple colors so much. So I'm really, really hoping and praying that I like this one. This is Enigma. Enigma. All right, let's try Enigma. Fingers crossed. I hope I like you. Okay. Okay, wait for it to dry down. Wait for it to dry down. Wait for it to dry down. Yes, go in. Yes, it is florally. The florals come right out at you. Immediately you put your nose on this, you get your florals. It is floral, it is creamy, it is a little bit sweet. It's not as sweet as you would think. It's not a sweet perfume. It has some sweetness, but it's not that sweet. It's not a fruity sweet perfume. Nothing fruity in here. Just florally sweet and creamy. If you like florally sweet and creamy scent, this is your thing. Florally sweet and creamy, that is what I get. Of this, I give you a 7/10. 7/10, because I'm not really into very floral perfume, so I don't know, but it's really nice. All of this perfume I kind of like light, so I don't know about the performance and the projection, if they are going to be beast mode. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you guys with a review because we are back fully. Now would be a very good time to subscribe. Like, if you watch up onto this level and you haven't subscribed, in there, I don't know what you're doing. I do not know what you're doing. You need to keep it locked down so that when I drop review videos, you're gonna be among the first to see. Turn on your notification bell. Wing Lady is here for you. And last but not the least, we have the blue Sapphire. This is the one that Tuke was saying it was made popular by the royal family. Prince Harry was wearing it. I don't know. Let us check it out. Yes, although we don't have the original Bodacea perfume, so we can't really compare, but still, these smell nice and the packaging is superb. All right, so let's go ahead with blue Sapphire. This one I'm looking for somewhere I haven't touched at all. Yeah, just fresh skin. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Settle down. Settle down. Then we go in. Then we go in. I can smell it from here. Wow. I think so far, this is my favorite. Yes! 9/10. Easily 9/10. In fact, 9.5/10. Because the more I smell it, the more I fall in love with it. Okay, so blue Sapphire is likely fruity. It's likely fruity. It is fresh. It is floral as well, because I can catch a hint of floral in there. And I think a little bit of musk. I love blue Sapphire, you guys. You guys, if I were to recommend now out of everything I've smelled, I haven't really tried them out, but if I were to recommend now, I'll say go for blue Sapphire. Blue Sapphire and Mimo, these are my favorites. I gave this one an 8. I gave this one a 9. So you see, go for these ones. Then if you're a guy and you're wondering which one to check out Complex. I think you might like Complex. As for ladies, I would ask you to go for Nema, and ladies, go for Nema and this purple one is called Enigma. Yeah, go for Nema and Enigma. Ladies, these two, I recommend you can go for it. Guys, you should go for Complex. Yes, guys, you can go for complex. Go for complex. I believe this one is masculine. Then unisex. Yes, unisex. I love these ones. I love this one. Yes, finally. You guys should comment which one you want to see a review on first so that I can get started. You guys don't know the kind of content I have planned out for you guys. Like, subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it. You guys, like my videos, watch my videos. You know I got you on this channel. You know I got you. Comment down below which one you want to see a review video on first. And until next time, ciao.